Year 2016 has been noted as a year with the highest carbon footprint in the last 15 years, and India accounting to about 6 to 7% of the global CO2 emissions. In places like offices, restaurants, and institutional buildings and small-scale industry, the electricity used by the ACs accounts to about 30 to 40% of the net usage. Here, the users do not have to pay for the electricity bills. This leads to the wastage of huge amount of electrical energy. Therefore, if we are able to save even a small percentage of this wasted power, this will not only turn out to be economically beneficial, but will also help keep our environment cleaner and free from pollution. In order to solve this problem, we have devised a product which can intelligently sense the presence of people in a given area and can control the ACs efficiently in order to minimize the power losses. The temperature sensors installed in several parts of the rooms give important feedback data which is then used in order to regulate the temperature of the entire workspace. The person counter modules keeps tracks of the number of occupants. Along with this, can also sense where exactly is a person present in the entire workspace, hereby helping us decide which AC should be kept on and which one should be turned off.
Before pricing its product, we talked to the CEO of Smart Power Automation, a company renowned for selling automation products all around the world. He guided us to the various aspects to be taken into consideration before selling the product. During its pricing, we considered the manufacturing cost, transportation cost, packing cost, and many other aspects as displayed. As we are selling the product directly to the customers, we have also added an additional installation cost. Another very important aspect is the advertisement cost. Apart from the profit, to make up for introductory campaigns, 20% of the selling price is kept for advertisement. In order for this to be a minimal viable product, we have arrived at selling price of ₹9,999 per module. Owing to its power saving capabilities, it can save up to 15% of electricity, giving its money worth in less than a year.
The latest trend in the modern day world is to use centralized ACs, which fit the purpose of regulating the temperature of the entire building in one go. However, a shocking majority of the world's buildings are still using primitive type of air conditioners. In order for these buildings to switch to centralized ACs like HVAC systems, the internal circuitry and the infrastructure of these buildings need to be modified. This would mean a large expenditure. However, with a module, the installation is as easy as it gets. The modules just need to be fitted in front of the ACs in a pre-existing infrastructure. No tampering with the circuit or architecture of the building is required. And to make the installation process further simple and the products aesthetically pleasing, we have designed the modules to work wirelessly. This would bring down the cost of installation by a huge margin, thus making the process very economical. Adding to its unique features, we have designed it to be an IoT-based module. Hence, a person sitting miles away may obtain all the data pertaining to the module with one simple click of a button. This feature also enables regular OTA updates for enhancing the performance of the module over time. The capacity of the module is so overwhelming that it can bring about a revolution in the commercial automation.
Awareness about the product is very crucial in ensuring its popularity. Our first and foremost step towards spreading awareness is to approach trade fairs and seminars where we'll put our product on display so that people can see it working in real life scenarios. We have also planned to give a 30-day trial to any of the interested parties. This will not only help us advertise the product but also help us gain market value. We have also planned to advertise through business and technical magazines. Specially designed brochures will be distributed to target audience like restaurants, corporate offices, institutional buildings, etc. We have planned a budget of ₹2 lakh for advertisement. The details are displayed on the screen.
In the initial stages, we will be taking order only from the local area, that is Kolkata and its suburbs. Therefore, we will be acting as a manufacturer and the distributor of the product. In case of bulk orders, skilled technicians will be hired to deal with the installation process. In case of orders from outside the local region, we have planned to deliver the product to a hired freelancer of that area. There, he will deliver and install the product according to the needs of the customer. Hereby, not including a middleman in form of a distributor will help us serve a dual purpose. Firstly, it will reduce the selling price of the product, and second of all, the transparency of communication between the company and the customers will help get us recognition. In the near future, after getting a patent for our product, we can tie up with small scale companies who will then only deal with the distribution part of the product. About 10 to 12% of our selling price will be allotted as a distributor's commission. Thank you.